So today we're gonna be prepping, sanding, caulking, and painting this. So this is what it looks like right now. So once you're done sanding, what you want to do is take a brush, dusting brush, and dust it off. Or you can use a rag to take all the dust off. First, what you want to do is put primer and then put paint. What I'm going to do is put one coat of paint and second coat of different paint. First coat will be like a primer. You guys can either put primer or two coats of paint. Make sure your paint is mixed. Mine's pretty good. Mix it up more. Shake it, mix it, whatever you gotta do to make sure you get the all mixed up. If it's been standing around for a while, just use some kind of stick to mix it up. Make sure you wipe this. Put it aside. So what you want to do, get a roller, small one preferably, or you can use a brush. And start rolling. I'm gonna do inside first. So what you want to do, the first coat is primer it. Make sure everything's covered. So if you want to make it dry fast, you want to take like a fan, hair dryer, or whatever you have, plug it in. If it's cold outside, you can make this dry faster, so you can put a second coat if you need to. And some spots that you missed, you can go over with the brush, like stuff like this, or inside there that's hard to get in. You use a brush just like that, and there, all the angles. Once the first coat is dry, what you want to do is put it on the second coat. That's only if you need to, or if you want to.